The EAGLE ARTEK is a compact opening sensor for all types of doors. Discreet, it fits on all operators, even the slimmest ones. Opening has never been so comfortable. Based on the EAGLE 1 performances, it offers stability and liability in all kinds of environments. By filtering parallel movements towards the door only opens when needed. Thanks to its compact size and the same mounting references as the EAGLE 1, the sensor easily replaces existing installations. The sensor is equipped with the Rtech radar technology, developed and produced by BEA. Everything is digitally managed inside a single antenna. The radar head rotates 90 degrees vertically and from -30 degrees to 30 degrees horizontally. So you can adapt the field precisely to your installation. Adjustment of the three main parameters is possible by push buttons. To adjust the size of the field, push minus to decrease the size and plus to increase it. To adapt the immunity filter, make a long push on the plus button and enter the menu. A yellow LED is now lighted, then use plus and minus to adjust it. A long push on the plus button exits the menu. To adapt the field shape, make a long push on the minus button and enter the menu. A purple LED is now lighted. Then use plus and minus to change from a wide to a narrow field. A long push on the minus button exits the menu. Now you can open up new horizons with EAGLE ARTEK. EAGLE ARTEK, opening your way to peace of mind.